what time it is? It's time for another recipe. We're here with Vinny at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and he's gonna show us what's cooking.
Today, we are doing a zucchini bean salad.
Ooh, yum.
Thin slice on the onions. Zucchini loves onions. I didn't know if you know that.
I love onions too.
I do too. All right, so we're gonna make a vinaigrette. Thinly slice up a shallot. Now we're gonna take some fresh thyme, some garlic, a little Dijon. Now we're gonna get our red wine vinegar here. Now we're gonna add some honey.
Yum.
We're gonna pour in our extra virgin olive oil. These are cannellini beans. We're gonna add our caramelized onions to that. And now we're gonna add our zucchini. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the yellow squash. I'm just gonna slice some tomatoes, throw them right in this bowl here. Now if you overcook the squash, it'll turn to mush in here. So we don't wanna do that. All right, that's gonna go right in. Are you kidding me right now? I'm showing you my secrets. I'm giving you my goods. Look at that. I mean, that's good enough to eat. This is a great side. This is a great main if you're doing the whole vegan thing.
It's perfect. So listen, if you want to try this for your next barbecue, head to our website, newsfeld.com. You will find the recipe there. I'm making it.
Yeah,
for
you are
sure.
making this one. Yeah.